Hey guys, how's it going? And this video we're going to be opening up the last pack of the Ellumacent Souls, what I've got stored. I've had this for quite a while, so we're going to crack it open. And then I think that is the last pack of any HTCG creator I've got on the channel, so until I get my next Gamecrafter order through, that should be it, unless I come across any in particular lurking around the house. Oh, well, that lucky fair's not very good, is it? So yeah, looks like we've got a rare card at the top. You can tell that by the gold border. So our rare is Kingdom's Archivist, or Archivist, Wesley. So it's got a bonus of, it's got a little ability. So if you pay 4 mana, you get to roll a die, and then he kind of gives buffs to all of your units by the look of it. So he's actually really powerful unit, to be fair, now that I've read the skills. Then you've got your commons at the front. It's got the brown border around the edges. So we've got Marion, Rain, Roxy, Crystal Feline Rune, or Feline, Tina, Naomi the Thoughtful Mage, Lynette the Night Mage, Emerald Foxleaf, Sacred Temple Guardian Melody, Nate the Master Tricker. So we're moving on to the uncommons now, because we've got like the black and silver borders. The uncommons are actually quite good as filler cards in decks, because they usually provide you some useful skills, and then if there's any what you don't necessarily use, you can just contribute or sacrifice these units to create mana for your other cards. So not too bad. These are the companion cards, which kind of sit alongside the units in battle. Lavender, Elite Knight Gemma, I like the artwork on that one, on the two of them actually, they're both pretty cool. Tiffany, another Gemma, and another one. And our last rare is another copy of Wesley. So we got a duplicate rare. I think the odds of that happening are actually very slim. So we didn't get the rainbow card, chase card. We got that in the last pack, and there is one other rainbow chase card to find in this game, in this set should I say. So it's just unfortunate we got 2 of the same. However, looking at his skills, he does actually look to be really useful, because it looks like it says all of your units gain 5 power level, which is this number here. It's basically their combat damage. All of your units recover 5 HP. And the one underneath is basically the die you roll during battle. So yeah, they're pretty good. And it's a ranged unit as well, so that means it sits at the back rather than sitting on the front lines. So I do need more ranged units in my collection for this game. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and let me know which is your favourite card, because the artwork as always is really, really well done. Alright guys, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.